XPS 13 2-in-1 has up to 2.5 times the performance of its predecessor, all in an 8% thinner design than before. As with all XPS products, the display on the XPS 13 2-in-1 is just incredible. The biggest thing you would notice is a refined Infinity Edge display. It's on its 3rd generation. It's a 16:10 aspect ratio, so it's actually 7% larger than before. They actually have almost 1 million more pixels to work with. It's also HDR certified, both HDR 400 and Dolby Vision certified. So when you're watching HDR content, you have vivid color that pops. Your darks are really dark, your brights are really bright, so it's just an exceptional experience.
In the new XPS 13-inch 2-in-1, we used more aluminum than we've ever used in a 13-inch product before. The design intent here was to make the product stiffer, and as continued from its predecessor, we've used carbon fiber on the black version and white glass fiber on the white version. These products are known for their both lightweight and stiff characteristics. When you design a product that's both thinner and more powerful, you need to figure out ways to save space. And so the maglev keyboard was much thinner than the keyboard that we used in its predecessor. This provides a great typing experience, but also takes some height out of the product.
This device, it's just the perfect blend of performance and portability.
Finally, the system you want has the power you need. ThinkPad P1. Workstation power. Thin and light design. The first mobile workstation with the ability to amaze you with what it can do and how it looks. To do this, we created a new premium design featuring a seamless keyboard, glass touchpad, blackout logos, along with a deeper black chassis. Living up to the ThinkPad legacy of quality and durability, the P1 is mil-spec tested and utilizes dual fan flex performance cooling. It is thin, light, strong, and cool. But what separates the ThinkPad P1 from other mobile workstations is its ability to perform. Featuring Intel Xeon mobile processors, 64 gigabytes of memory, the NVIDIA Quadro P2000 professional graphics, and 4 terabytes of PCIe storage, the ThinkPad P1 is not only ISV certified, it is optimized for maximum productivity, letting your work come to life on a stunning 15-inch 4K display. The system you want now has the power you need. The ThinkPad P1 mobile workstation from Lenovo.
Hi, my name's Hazrat Hasdalal, and I'm a director working in feature films and television. My latest project is the animated proof of concept, Battlesuit. Battlesuit is based on a graphic novel called The Theory, published by TPub Comics, for which a television series is currently in development. Now, we only had 4 months to put this together, with a small team of 3, including myself. We used Epic's Unreal Engine to produce the entire animated episode, by utilizing and harnessing real-time CG animation. To power this project, I used the Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition, so I could work on this in whatever location I wanted to be in. But also, due to the fact that I have a small space, which I call my home studio, so it needed to be as compact as possible, yet boast impressive graphics power with the use of NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 graphics card, which is thankfully built into the Razer laptop. We used the Dragonfly virtual camera plugin for Unreal Engine, built by Glassbox Technologies, in order for me to capture some of these energetic cinematography featured in the Warzone sequence of the film. This, as a filmmaker, gave me flexibility, speed, and power to design and test shot ideas quickly and easily. The Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition laptop was constantly being pushed, with most of the scenes being very demanding with the amount of geometry, FX, and lighting, including scenes that were 700 frames long. So thanks to the Razer Blade 15 having the NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 built in, I was able to pump out ray tracing real-time rendering. Every single shot in this film is straight out of Unreal Engine, as in final pixels. meaning there is no compositing done at all, or any external post-processing done, apart from a few text overlays and color correction in editorial, which we did all in DaVinci Resolve. Now that made good use of NVIDIA's GPU, but also utilized Razer Blade Studio's 4K screen, allowing me to see all those details as I made creative tweaks to each shot's lighting and color, right through to deliverables. If I was to ask myself a few years ago if I would be able to pull off a project like Battlesuit that was not only of broadcast ready and of high quality cinematic and animation, but all done in real time, powered on a laptop, I would probably think to myself I was crazy and overambitious. But today, I could be making an animated film in a mobile and remote production environment without the need of huge desktop machines and expensive rendering. You know, we're in a very exciting time right now, where the impossible is being made possible, thanks to the power of real-time technology such as Unreal Engine, GPU from NVIDIA, and hardware from Razer, all being affordable and accessible to anyone who wants to tell their stories.